Soothing effects of nature. Special moments with your loved ones. Time to pamper and rejuvenate yourself. This is the life at the Alview Heights at Isaiah Ridge Pond. One that spells comfort and enjoyment. Cool views, convenient facilities, and a superb location bring more value to your property. Own a home at the Alview Heights. Your life to the view.
Bye. Doon ka lang, laro ko lang kayo ni Tiger. Papakita ko to kay Ninang Joy. Yeah. Laro ka lang dyan kay Tiger. Okay? O, Tiger. Wow. My friends, Tiger and Pooh, we're always there for each other. You'll see just how fun it can be with so much in our world to discover. And if I need a helping hand, Buster might save the day, or Piglet, Earoo. Ba? Ba? Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Gavin Ross. Yuck, kinis si Tiger. Tiger fanatic ka, Gab.
Congratulations nga pala sa bago mong promotion. Bigis talaga na-asenso kapag may kapos ni Ari.
Parang gusto ko lang naman po makipagtayo sa inyo. Pati kay Dave. Gusto ko lang pong linawin na hindi ko po niloloko ang anak mo. Matagal na po kami hiwalay ni Dave nung maging kami po ni JR.
Sinungaling.
Hindi tayo pwede ganito ang buhay. Ayusin natin to.
Diba may pinagsamahan naman po tayo, diba? Kilala niyo naman po ko. Hindi ko magagawa yun eh.
Oo nga. Matagal na tayo nagkasama. Pero yan na ngayon, hindi pa rin kita kilala. Tinulungan ko ang pamilya mo, pero wala kang utang.
Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, clap. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open, Gavin Ross. Papa. Papa.